everyone, welcome to a brand new show with me, your host Sanchali. Goes by a hectic work week and we are all set to party our hearts out on a Saturday night. But we are often confused when we are planning this day because of the enormity of the options and the non-options in hand. So we will try and make this task of yours a little easier by recommending you the best places to chill out. Well, the USP of any good Saturday night out is good music. Keeping that in mind, we will bring you the recommendations of the DJs, the composers, the music directors, and at the same time, the rock bands which have been rocking Delhi all throughout. Well, but the whole Saturday just cannot go thinking about that you will be chilling out just in the night. There is so much to do before and afterwards. So we will be talking about the new movie releases which you can obviously watch before you go out in the night and party. And we'll also be talking about the after hours dine out places where you can have sumptuous meal after a good party out. So all you need to do, friends, is just stay tuned because this show is a complete guide, or should I say a perfect solution to a perfect weekend. In today's episode, we will be meeting DJ Kiran of Midnight Blues. Hi, right now we are in conversation with DJ Kiran, where we will try and visualize his career graph. Hi Kiran.
Hi.
First of all, tell me, when did you start your career as a DJ?
It's been 10 years since I've been a DJ now.
10 years, that is a pretty long time. So tell us one thing, have you actually learned DJing from somewhere?
Yeah, I did. There's a lot of technicality involved in the profession, so I did learn all the basics from a DJ called DJ Prince, and that was back 10 years back.
I see, and you have really grown as a DJ that we can see, and you're playing at one of the very famous clubs in Delhi right now. And before we go any further, I think this is a known fact that you are the first DJ from Delhi to win the All India War of DJs in a period of 7 years. Am I right?
That's right. Very true.
So how does it feel to be one of the first winners?
It's really nice.
Get on the floor! Whoa, I'm the party starter. You might have a good time, but we party harder. So
What is your recommendations to the new age DJs?
Well, if somebody wants to take up DJing, they shouldn't go for the glamour part of it because that comes very late in the success ladder. Once you climb up the success ladder, then glamour follows. But initially, there's a lot of toil, lot of hard work, lot of sweat.
I think you're absolutely right. It was actually very nice talking to DJ Kiran right here, and it's time now for him to pack his bags and move to Odissi, where he will be playing absolutely rocking music for Delhi on this Saturday night. Okay friends, so here leaves DJ Kiran, and we will catch more of him at his own disc, that is Odissi.
yeah, nigga, Ja Rule on one. Yeah, it's our world. Please believe niggas ain't real. Please believe it's murder. Please believe INC niggas what's fucking with me, y'all.
Well, now that we are at Sahara Mall, let's go to Odissi straight away.
तूने क्या किया मेरी जाने जा एक नजर में ही दिल चुरा लिया मुझको क्या हुआ कोई जाने ना तुझको देखा तो होश खो दिया
Okay, Sanchali, before we go to the console, let's hit the bar. I'll show you the best cocktails around.
Okay, cool. Well, hello everyone. Right now we are here with DJ Kiran at the Odissi bar. Now his t-shirt right here says "Awaken the Spirit." That's why we are here at the spirit section. But before that, let's see, does his t-shirt actually awaken? Can you see that, Kiran? Oh my God, isn't that cute, guys? Okay, let's go on further and ask the DJ himself, which is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is a Blue Hawaiian.
Blue Hawaiian. What are ingredients go into this drink?
Well, it's a white rum based cocktail. It's got coconut cream in it. It's got pineapple juice and blue pusha together with it.
That sounds interesting and really sumptuous. But tell me one thing, can you really make this drink for us?
Of course, I'll tell my bartender to do it for you.
Okay, let's see where the DJ can do anything besides mixing the music. He mix some drinks and some juices together a lot. So let's go on to the party. What sort of music are you going to play to build up the tempo?
Right now I'm going to play a little upbeat music on a high tempo. Gradually we're going to go down to some hip hop.
Okay, so basically the music starts with a bang. It's always fast music. Is that the idea?
Yeah, the idea is to give the crowd a dose of all genres of music so that they feel very complete when they go back home.
Okay, is there any standard number that you always play in the starting or generally in the starting?
There are lots of them. Like when I'm playing R&B, I make it a point that I play Return of the Mac. It's one of my all-time favorites.
And I'm sure the people love it out here.
Yeah, absolutely. We try to give the best to the people. The sound, the system, and the mixing level, it's all the best.
What are the ingredients of this concert?
This is what we call a CD turntable. We've got two of them. The one track plays loud, the other one plays less. And this has all the features of a vinyl. We can scratch on it, we can make a breakbeat out of it. This is the most advanced thing that is there. This is the motor over here. Then we've got a spare CD player that is there. So this is the light control panel for me to control all the lights.
Wow, that sounds like fun. I wish I could actually work on this.
Go ahead, try your hands, scratch a little bit of them.
Are you sure? Okay, first tell me what is scratching?
Scratching is basically, it's pulling back some acapella and some beats to create a new sound which we can put in running tracks.
Okay guys, I'm gonna do some scratching out here. I have no idea the crowd is gonna like it or not, but I have the liberty thanks to DJ Kiran. So here we go. Hey, I love this, man. Hey, that sounds like so much fun. I did some scratching right here, but I'm sure I cannot do it as good as DJ Kiran, who is simply a pro. So all we have to do is come to ODC and party with DJ Kiran and have some simply awesome time.
Put your hands in the air like you just don't care, cause you feel like a super